a new vlog, and I'm not trying to be dramatic, but I'm literally stuck in the worst traffic right now. Like, literally have not moved the car in probably over 10 minutes. But anyways, I am on my way to Petco right now because I have to get kitten food. If you guys saw my last vlog, we unexpectedly got a new kitten yesterday, so I have to do that, maybe get some toys, things like that. And also I might pop in the thrift store. I'm not really sure, just because I don't know how much time I have to still edit the other vlog. And are you joking? We're not about to move right now. So yeah, we're gonna see, but I really feel like I need to get some TikTok content up and things like that. And also I do want to get new things to style for you guys in the upcoming like outfits of the day. So yeah, I might take you guys thrifting, I might not, who knows, I still haven't decided. But sitting here is literally killing me because I need to take things to donation, and I might not have time anymore because it's already later on in the day. But you know what, while we're sitting here, can you guys just look at these sunglasses? I just got them. Okay, I look like a bug, but I have them like this because my hair is currently wet, so I kind of want to like swoop my bangs. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed with them. They're literally so cute. They were in my last YouTube short. And then also, side note, you guys know I always wear this like smiley ring. It's rhinestone, but Vitaly Design actually sent me this what is it called, this barbed wire one the other day, and I'm literally obsessed with it. And yeah, it's really cool because I finally have like a little discount. It's not like a discount code, but it's if you shop through the link. I'll put it down below because I know they are a little bit more pricier, but you guys know all I wear is like thrifted jewelry, so I've never really had nice jewelry, and all I do is wear these. I'm obsessed with them. I also got a different necklace, but obviously I'm not wearing that right now. Not to be dramatic, but I'm gonna scream at the top of my lungs. We literally still have not moved, but you know, why not just chat, talk to you guys? Because the worst part is I also don't have service where I am, so I can't listen to podcasts or anything. I'm literally so bored. But I have this Natrium Photo Glow Lip Balm Clear. This is also one of the things that came in the little Beauty Fest like goodie bag thing, and I have been wearing this non-stop. It's still a little bit on my lips, it's kind of coming off, but let me show you how it actually applies. First off, it has this unreal like cooling tip, so it feels so good on the lips. But you guys know I'm a gloss girl, and this thing, DC, it literally applies like gloss. They sell this at Target, I know that. I'll also link it down below. And I know that there's tinted ones. I know there's one that's supposed to be like Clinique Black Honey or something like that, so I want to go to Target and get that one because this is literally my new favorite lip balm. Also, I've been seeing a lot of people wear Hailey Bieber's new lip balm, and like I feel like the packaging and even the way it looks very similar. Obviously I don't have that one, but if I had to guess, I feel like this could be a good dupe, and it just literally looks like I'm wearing gloss. I am obsessed with it, so thought I would mention that as I'm sitting here because I'm gonna freaking go insane. I'm back home now, and guys, I got a package from freaking Urban Decay. I'm literally about to cry, and Bask, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in it. Here is what we had in the Urban Decay little PR thing, and it is, I don't know if this is like a liquid lipstick or what, but it's coming out I think like July 13th or something. That's what it said on the Instagram, and you actually like shake it, I don't know, to like activate it or something. Oh, okay, that's weird. It sounds like a whiteout pen. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Like those like whiteout pens thing when you shake it, that's what it feels like. But guys, look at this packaging. Are you actually kidding me right now? This is gonna look, I always say this, but how sick is this gonna look on my vanity? And again, I don't know what it is. It says unbreakable liquid lip color. I think it doesn't do like transfer or anything like that, so I'm stupid. So this is probably a liquid lipstick, but I think we're gonna try to wear this today when we do our makeup. Like this pinky color is so pretty. This is in the shade Cuffed Up, and then we also have this, what does that say? Pleased. And then also Chloe Cherry did their like little thing, and she was wearing PDA. So I don't know, I think this is literally so cool. I love, this is right up my alley when it comes to aesthetics. I am extremely grateful. Like guys, this is Urban Decay. I am gonna cry. Let's push that aside, and now let's see what we have in this little bask. Can we talk about how utterly cute this box is? Okay, cotton candy vibes all the way. I definitely opened the box wrong. I think it was supposed to go this way, but look, it came with like a cute little sticker. And this is, by the way, a sunscreen. So this this is really good because it's paraben, sulfate free, like all the good stuff. Sunscreen that you could take to Hawaii, because if you guys don't know, a lot of sunscreen you actually can't for the corals and stuff. But let's open it. All right, so we have this sunscreen spray, which thank goodness, because I actually don't have any, so that's great. Okay, I've been kayaking and doing all that stuff with a rub on, and I hate it because I'm always stealing Julie's and Hannah's spray on sunscreen, so this is good. Oh, I'm dying. A cute little hat. I'm gonna literally wear this and never take it off. It's like the prettiest pastel yellow. It's coming a lot washed in person. It's very, very vibrant in person. And then a little bag to obviously like put sunscreen in. I don't know, again, if I go kayaking stuff, I can put my phone in here, water protectant, things like that. The way she tried sleeping in the box, but it was just way too filled with stuff, so I guess the wrapping paper is gonna do, huh? Since I was showing you guys all this PR, I figured, you guys know I showed you this ring earlier, but this is the necklace, and I am literally in love with it so freaking much. I don't know what came over me. I don't know how I became a silver jewelry girl, but I just love that this is like half pearl and then half chain, and I could wear it like this way, you know, where the chain is showing, or I could wear just the pearls, or I could do the whole double-sided thing. I just love how versatile this is. It's literally so cute. And because I know you guys all cared, we're literally still with the iced tea, and this is the Tazo chai. Don't really recommend doing iced chais unless you're obviously gonna use milk and stuff, because I don't know, it's still good, but I much prefer an iced green tea, so it's whatever. I just wanted to use that one. Obviously, I didn't end up filming in the thrift stores because I don't know, every time I try to vlog, it is literally like the worst thrifting day ever. Now, I did get some stuff, but I'm gonna try to go tomorrow to obviously try to film content because I didn't end up getting a TikTok or anything like that, and I need to have one at least once a week. But I did find some really cute pieces. One of the things is what I'm wearing. You can kind of see it in my YouTube short better, like the color of the pants. They're a more like darker washed blue, and they're the brand 5.11, if I'm saying that right, and they're literally just so cute. Again, I don't know how well this could be a disaster, but they fit me so good. Like, I know I have a belt, but my belt is literally like on the last thing, like it's just for show. This is doing absolutely nothing. Like, they sit on my waist so well, and I feel like usually men's pants like this are like really big in the waist, and I always have to like cinch it with the belt, but these fit so good. Like, I am just obsessed with them. I mean, obviously this is how I styled it, and then I did this little Kate Spade bag because it does have all of these blue tones and things like that. Okay, now for the other things that I got. I am aware that it's blazing hot outside. Like yesterday, actually, when I was walking around the thrift store, I almost left because I literally thought I was gonna pass out. It was so freaking hot in there. They didn't have the AC, and they usually have the AC running, but yeah, it was a freaking disaster. But I found this Argyle like very thick knit sweater. I don't know if you can see, again, it's like this dark blue, but this is heavy. I know Argyle was like so 2 years ago, or like honestly even last fall, but this one just gives me, I don't know, like I feel like I'm gonna wear this mainly because the other Argyle stuff that I bought were like thin sweaters, but this is just such a cozy knit, and I just love the classic colors. It kind of gives me like Gossip Girl vibe. And then this tank top right here, it has all of this like paisley print. I don't know, hopefully that is gonna catch it, but it is seriously so freaking cute. It gives me just girl in a teen movie cleaning her house, and she's like, I don't know, about to get ready for a date or something. I don't know why, but I just love like all the little lace detailing and stuff, so that is cute. And then the last thing, I am obsessed with Sophie Floyd. Side note, are any of you guys watching Love Island UK? I talk about this all the time, but I am a reality TV whore. Okay, I'm obsessed with reality TV, especially Love Island UK, and none of the other ones, just UK. And I remember when it first, when I was watching the first episode, they showed Luca, and I was like, I said, he looks familiar. He looks familiar. What do you know? Sophie Floyd's ex. And in my head I was thinking, cool. But now, like, I'm obsessed with Gemma, so I'm kind of like, why did Luca have to go for Gemma? Because I stan Sophie so much. And it's weird how Sophie and Gemma look the same. Like, Sophie's a tatted version of Gemma. Like, it doesn't, regardless. Yeah, who's your guys' favorite? Unpopular opinion, I stan Ekin-Su. Every morning, Hannah and Julie and I have a group chat, and we talk, like, literally talk about the episode once we've all watched it, and they just hate Ekin-Su, and I am a hardcore stan. I stay defending her in the group chat. So yeah, if you guys are watching UK, who's your guys' favorite one? And if you're not watching, you should watch it. But Ekin-Su's my favorite. Her and Davide, love. But anyways, I was talking about Sophie Floyd, and she made a TikTok saying that whole trend that's like ill and then it's like guilty. She did one with tacky tourist merch, and I saw this one, Nice. I was like, I need to have this, especially because it's actually bedazzled and it's glittery, so I just had to have it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the stuff that I got. And funny thing, all my packages just keep coming in. I just glued these press-ons, so I'm gonna have to wait because I literally ran out of all my press-ons from Amazon, and I had to order new ones. So I'm really into like the flame press-on nails, like these pink ones that I do. I've done them twice. I'm obsessed with them. They last really long. And then also the ones that I recently had that were like white and black, they're all linked in my Amazon storefront, like the ones that I like, if you want to go check that out. But I found these ones right here, like they're black tips and they just have the white lining, so I'm like, these could potentially be very good. So I'm excited to wear these after. And then I told you I was gonna do the lippies with you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I cheated. I did try this color on with Whirl, and I'm gonna be honest, I look insane with this. Okay, I tried to do a darker lip liner, but this just might be nude, like nude, very bright. Not bright because it's not really a pink. Let me just actually swatch it. This is again in the color Cuffed Up, and then I didn't read, but it's an unbreakable color that's intense and full color payoff that won't crack or feather, but the inside of my mouth right here will always like crack when it comes to liquid lips. So it kind of did that with me, so we'll see if the other ones are doing it, and I might try to apply like lip balm before. And then also it says transfer smudge and water resistant for the free, rebellious, and fun, and instant varnish finish, comfort plus lightweight. I don't know, whatever. But let me show you on the back of my hand what this color actually does. And again, the packaging, I wanted to love this color so much. Like, I thought it was gonna be the color of my lips. You can see, no, this is deceiving. This is a very, very nude color. Oh shit, I have to shake it. I probably shouldn't be like using this so much because I'm probably gonna maybe give this away to one of my friends or something. But here is the shade. Like, can you, okay, that is a terrible swatch. I am so sorry, Urban Decay, but can you see that? I promise, on my lips, this shit looks nude as hell. Like, it does not look good on me. I'm gonna try it out again, maybe, because doing it with the World lip liner, it did look cool. Now let's swatch all of them. This is PDA. Again, this is the one that Chloe Cherry did. It's just a simple red. It's a simple red. And let's do that. I could show you guys. Please focus. Focus, come on. Like that. Oof, that's nice. Ooh, it's not even like a red, it's a very like burgundy red, which I like because I'm not into like the very bright reds. And then last but not least, we have Pleased. I almost said Pleased. I literally, like, can I fucking read? Hey, my name's Jared and I never learned how to fucking read. Pleased. Okay, I'm hoping this is not going to be too nude because this is the one I want to try on my lips right now for you guys. But again, you gotta shake it for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. I don't know why I'm smelling it. It doesn't smell like anything, but let's do that like this. Ooh, ooh, that's actually not as nude as I thought it was gonna be. We shall try. Should I put it on? No, I literally have lip gloss on right now. I can't do that. I need to wipe the lip gloss off put some lip balm on, lip balm, and then, hold on, I'll be right back. I need to get some lip balm. I hate the internet. I literally just like took a one quick second aside and opened up TikTok. The first video I saw is the Chloe Cherry, her like doing Urban Decay. Why is that the first video that I see as I'm literally showing you guys this? The government is watching me. Let's put on this hat. We didn't even try it on. I just don't want to get makeup on it because I do have a lot of makeup on my forehead. Ah! It's so cute. Imagine this when I go kayaking, lake days. Like, this is my favorite type of wear of a hat, like shape. Oh my gosh, it's literally so freaking cute. Are you honestly with this outfit? I'm gonna go like do some skates or something. Okay, enough. Let's apply it, and I'm gonna use the viewfinder as a mirror. Should I be doing that? Probably not. Oh, I keep forgetting. You have to shake it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was way longer than 5 seconds. All right. I feel like I have to prepare. Wow. Wowzers. Okay, let's do this. All right, are we good? Let's do this. Why did I do this to myself? That is too nude. I should have used a lip liner. What is on my nose? That is embarrassing. Hold on. Are you joking? There was nothing on my nose. I think that was just crusted makeup. All right. Wait, this kind of reminds me of the color by MAC of a lipstick that I always used to wear. Hold on, this could actually be kind of good, but I am judging it by the viewfinder, so I can't see. You know what, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna use this mirror right here really quick. Okay, you know what, I actually don't hate this color. Again, I should probably line my lips, but I was kind of taking my fingers and kind of trying to diffuse like the inside right here, because it's giving me butthole lips, and this dries down pretty quick. So as soon, if you are gonna get it, as soon as you apply it, you might want to like obviously diffuse it. Pause. I just tried to film a TikTok with the lip using the red one, and I don't know if you can see, like, I don't know if it's because I was shaking it way more, but the formula on the red one feels different, and like, I don't want to say 10 times better, but it's weird because it's a darker shade and it like blends way better. I don't know, maybe it's because the other ones were light, but this red one, not gonna lie, probably my favorite lipstick now. I have now switched into my robe, and James brought home sushi. I'm literally gonna salivate out the mouth. Literally looks so good. We have some gyoza, some barbecue albacore. Literally, this is like my favorite thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. I got James this like deep fried California roll because I ordered it online. And then I got this, what is it even called? I think it's like a bay scallop roll. It's like torched. It's so freaking good. Usually I do 2 sushi rolls, but I don't know, I didn't know if I was hungry, so he got that, and then I got these, because this actually is really filling. Like, it's so good. I should be eating with my chopsticks, but taste test. I'm gonna cry. All right, time to watch today's Love Island.